remember my name? That's right, my name's Gazzi. And what are we doing? Yeah, that's right, we're doing our A, B, C's. What letter are we up to? That weird letter. Yeah, the one which is like the circle, but it's got that dash through it. Q. Can everybody say Q with me? Q. Good job. So, Q's a difficult letter. What we've got to do is we've got to make a circle, but we've also got to have that line. So, how we're going to do that? We're going to make a circle like this. Can you see my arms in my head? They're the circle. Now, how do we make that line go through here? Well, what we're going to do is stand on one leg, whoop, open our arms, and put our leg through. Here, look, I'm a Q. Okay, this one's quite difficult, so make sure there's nothing around you in case you fall down. So let's try again. Q, Q. Okay, so what begins with the letter Q? There's that lady who lives in London. Where does she live? She lives at Buckingham Palace. But what was her name? That's right, it's the Queen. You know, the one who wears the crown on her head. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go Q, Q, Q. Qu, qu, qu. Because her name's Qu, Queen. Qu, right? Qu, qu, qu. Then, we're going to pretend we're wearing a crown, right? So we're going to go crown, crown. Crown begins with C. Do we go crown? No. We go queen, queen. Who is the queen when they're wearing a crown? That's right. If I'm wearing the crown, I am the queen. Yeah. So let's go. Q, Q, Q. Qu, qu, qu. Queen, queen. I am the queen. We can say I am the queen. But when you see the queen, she doesn't go, hey, I'm Gazzi. She doesn't wave like this. She waves like this. Alright? So you go, I am the queen. And she looks at everybody. I am the queen. Okay? Can you do this one with me? Let's do it slowly. So let's go. Q, Q, Q. Qu, qu, qu. Queen, queen. I am the queen. Awesome. Should we do it together now? Yeah. Alright, are you ready? Because I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Q, Q, Q. Qu, qu, qu. Queen, queen. I am the queen. Yeah, awesome work, guys. I'll see you next time on Gazzi's ABCs. Bye.